Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to all of you. Nammagani to all of you. Welcome to today's session. That is your matrices. We are completing your topic matrices. And in the last class, if you remember, I have talked about the introduction of matrices. I have introduced you with the matrices part, and also I have told about the basic operations in the matrices part, which we have learned. That is your algebra. We have studied is your addition, subtraction of matrices, and then multiplying a constant number with a matrix, right? So all those things we have learned in the last class. In today's class we are going to learn a very important topic from your topic matrices, that is your multiplication of matrices. बहुत important topic है. There is definitely a question from this topic, multiplication of matrices, if that is of 3 marks or 4 marks category में. 4 marks में mostly there is one question of multiplication of matrices, याद रखना. Okay, अब देखो, we mostly will be covering the basics. I will be starting it with the very basics and then we'll go up and up and up. So mostly in your syllabus it is like 3 by 3 matrix multiplication is the largest, but I'll teach you in such a way कि बड़े से बड़ा matrix आ जाएगा, you'll be able to multiply. Only thing is it is going to be the lengthy, it will be bit lengthy, समझ रहे हो? उसके अलावा matrix multiplication में कुछ उतना खास है नहीं, it's very basic. Just understand the method what it is and you are going to love this part. Okay, so let's start the class now. So as I was telling you that I have already done your equality matrix. Two matrices are equal when each and every component is equal to each other. Yeah, I have told you, and then I have given you a question, homework question related to this as well. So that also we are going to discuss. Addition we have done, you will add the corresponding elements. Multiplication by constant also we have done, in which I have told you that whenever you multiply a matrix by a constant number, all the elements inside the matrix will be multiplied by that number. If you are having any doubt, please rewatch the previous session. Your all the doubts will be clear. Okay, today we'll be starting with the multiplication of two matrices. इसको अपन लोग करेंगे. So let's look at the homework question once. So this was your homework question. I have told you that this matrix is equal to this matrix. So if they are equal, it is only possible if the corresponding elements, all the corresponding elements are equal, right? So first thing, x here should be equal to 3. हाँ sir, x is equal to 3. चलो, right? Then this y plus 2 should be equal to 1. So that means y is equal to 1 minus 2, which means y is equal to minus 1. ठीक है sir. So y is equal to minus 1. 3 is equal to 3, already equal, no need to do anything. Then z minus 1 is equal to 2. So z is equal to 3. The values of x, y and z, x is 3, y is minus 1 and z is equal to 3. As simple as that. As simple as that, है ना? बहुत easy question था. So let me tell you the name of the students who have given the correct answer. So the correct answer is given to me by Arjun Bino. He was the first one to give the correct answer. Then Trisha, okay, and then Priyanshu. Ayush beta, you have got the values of y wrong. Y is not 1, y is minus 1. Otherwise x and z values are correct. Suhas has given correct answer. Shanaya has given the correct answer. Then Kane Kaneki has given the correct answer. Game of Studies have given the correct answer. Priyanshu Nigam, Dhruv Agarwal. Priyanshu Nigam बोल दिया मैंने. Oh, बाप रे, Priyanshu Nigam ने how many times you have given the answers? Yeah, nice. चलो, no problem. Then Shivanshika has given the correct answer. After that, who else is there? Jia beta, your answer also y value you have got mistaken. Zahir Ahmed has given the correct answer. Khushi has given the correct answer. Drishti has given the correct answer. Shraddha has given the correct answer. Ankur and Alpana. ठीक है, तो these are the students. चलो एक और ले लेते हैं. Ahana has also given correct. Sneha Gupta, आंसर में again you have got the values of y wrong. ठीक है, तो and योगेश जी करके है. एंड आई स्मार्ट जानू, वाह भाई वाह, क्या नाम है यार. ओके, एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर विशेस बेटा. अब उसके बाद में मोहम्मद सलीक. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव गिवन द करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी वेल, नाइस डन. इफ यू आल्सो वांट टू गेट योर नेम फीचर्ड इन दिस क्लास, आराम से अपना कमेंट में आंसर दो. I will tell your name in the next class because those are my star students. And also, I'm really happy that many students they are repeatedly answering for all the questions. So that's really awesome, beta. Baki sab log bhi, those who are watching, do watch the do give the answer for the homework question. That is going to be amazing. Okay. So now let's move about the algebra. So as I've telling you, equality में हम लोगों ने बोला है कि each and every element should be equal to each other. That is the equality which we have already done. Okay, after that addition of matrices, I have told you you will add the corresponding elements. You will add the corresponding elements, 3 with 0, 1 with minus 1, 0 with 2 and 1 with 0. Okay, so we have also learned that by addition of matrix is only possible if their order is same. That means if it is 2 into 3, it also should be 2 into 3. So then only you can add them. So let's do a revision question. This is the question which is based on addition as well as equality. समझ रहे हो दोनों पे based है. So they are saying these two matrices when added it is equal to 0, minus 2, 5 and 1. Find the value of x. अब if I say beta, if I add these two matrices I will get x square plus x plus 0. ठीक है, first term x and minus 1 तो x minus 1, 3 plus 1 minus x so 3 minus x plus 1 and then 2 plus x. ठीक है, तो this will be my matrix after addition. So I will say after addition I have got x square plus x minus 1, 4 minus x, 3 plus 1 is 4 minus x, and here 2 plus x, okay, is equal to 0, minus 2, 5 and 1. अब ध्यान रखना बेटा, you will, if we know both these matrices are equal, so I want to get a value of x for which I want such a value of x for which all the elements are equal. So we want to find out that value of x which is common to all the terms. देखो, first thing x square plus x should be equal to 0. So if I make x square plus x equal to 0, I will take x into x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here take an x common. Okay, sorry, so from here either I guess is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1, quadratic equation wala solution. Then I can say or sir x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Shift minus 1 over there, so x is equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to x is equal to minus 1. So better till now I can see very well that sir x is equal to minus 1 is the solution for the first term to be equal as well as the second term to be equal. 0 is only for the first term. If I put x is equal to 0, then it will no longer remain equal. समझ रहे हो? So you want a common solution for all the parts. Then 4 minus x should be equal to 5. So if I make 4 minus x is equal to 5, shift x over here, 5 over there, so x is equal to 5. 4 minus 5, so again x is equal to minus 1. ठीक है? And at the end, x plus 2 or 2 plus x is equal to, here what do you have, 1, shift 2 over there, again x is equal to minus 1. अब देखो बेटा, we have got so many values of x, but you will see that to make all the terms equal, x is equal to minus 1 is the only value which will make all the terms equal. Which will make all the terms equal. I will say x is equal to minus 1 will be my answer. X is equal to minus 1 will be my answer. Now remember, suppose if I do not get any common value, suppose if I do not get any common value, in that case there will be no value of x because x can occur any one value. So we want such value for which all the terms become equal. I have not taken 0 because 0 is not the common value. ठीक है, so it was a good question. That is why I have done the revision with this part. ठीक है बेटा, अब देखो लेट्स लुक एट द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में थोड़ा सा सोच लेना पहले. whenever you multiply क्या करना होता है यार कि फर्स्ट थिंग तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय अ कांस्टेंट. तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद अ कांस्टेंट नंबर all the elements should be multiplied over here. So देखो k all the elements are multiplied with k. That is the simplest thing, multiplication by a constant number. Any constant number if you are multiplying it with, it will be multiplied to all the terms. Okay, after that the important thing is multiplication of two matrices. अब देखो, for the addition and subtraction of the matrices I have told you the condition that is the order of the matrix must be equal. Order of the matrix must be equal. Okay, but the condition for the multiplication of matrix is bit different. Okay, so suppose if you have to multiply two matrices, let's say matrix A with matrix B, suppose they are okay, some matrix A and matrix B, they are two matrices. If you want to multiply them, remember that the condition for the multiplication of two matrices, the condition for the multiplication of two matrices is that number of number of columns in first matrix should be equal to should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. ठीक है, number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in a second matrix. अब देखो, I know how do you write order of a matrix? तो बेटा order of a matrix I write as number of rows into number of column, number of rows into number of column, right? So suppose matrix A is of the order, let us say m into n. So m is the number of rows in matrix A, n is the number of columns. If this matrix A you have to multiply with matrix B, the important condition is what I have told, what I have told, that the number of columns in first matrix. So number of columns is what? N. Number of columns is n. Same should be the number of rows in the second matrix. That means in the second matrix B, the number of rows also should be n. Column can be anything, it can be n, also any other variable as well. Okay, so if it is true that number of column in the first matrix means the one which I am writing at the first place, the number of column in this matrix A should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Number of column should be equal to number of rows. तो अब इसको कैसे देखना है बेटा? ऑलवेज देखो, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम, नंबर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट इफ यू हैव टू मैट्रिसेस A into B, याद रखना the ending part of the first matrix and the beginning part of the first matrix should be equal. If I have a matrix of order m into n, okay, and I am multiplying it with a matrix of n into p, then only the multiplication will be common, then only multiplication can take place. So याद रखना this part should be common, n should be here, है ना? If it is true number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix, if it is true, then you can do the multiplication, otherwise not. And when you will do the multiplication, the order of the resultant matrix, order of product matrix, okay, that means after multiplying them, whatever matrix you will get, the order, what will be the order of that matrix? तो बहुत easy है बेटा, n and n should be equal. Number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of column, number of rows in the second matrix. So n को निकाल दो, what you are left? M into p. So write in the order of m into p. That means m rows, p column. M rows and p column. That is the condition for the multiplication of any two matrices. So suppose if I will say कि बेटा matrix A is here and matrix B is here. Matrix A is of the order 2 into 3. Matrix B is in the order of 3 into 2. Can you multiply them? You will say yes sir. Why? Because number of column in the first matrix and number of rows are equal. Or you can look it like this, 2 into 3 and you are multiplying it with 3 into 2. So देखो 3 is common. And if I ask you what will be the order of the resultant matrix, so what is left? You are left with 2 and 2 on both the sides, है ना? 2 2 बच रहा है. Okay, if I say कि हाँ sir, multiplication can happen because number of column in the first one is equal to number of rows of the second one, so resultant will be the remaining part, 2 into 2. This will be the order for the product matrix. ठीक है? तो always check the condition whether the multiplication can be done or not. Whether the multiplication can be done or not. Okay, now let's start with the very easy multiplication. Let's start with the multiplication of 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay, Let's say I have a matrix A which is let us say 2 minus 1 0 and 1 ठीक है. Okay, this you have to multiply with 3 2 minus 1 and 0, for example. These two matrices you have to multiply. So always first check that whether can we multiply them or not. So here if you will see, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, so if I have first matrix of the order 2 by 2 and second matrix of the order 2 by 2, so you can see, ha sir, the number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of rows. So yes sir, it can be multiplied and the order of the product matrix will be again 2 by 2 only. ठीक है, because the remaining part. Okay, अब how do you start with the multiplication? Remember क्या करना है start करने के लिए? First याद रखना कि I now know that the order of the resultant matrix is what, 2 by 2 matrix होगा. Order of the resultant matrix will be 2 by 2 है ना. So how does a 2 by 2 matrix will look? A first row first column, A first row second column, A first row third column, A sorry क्या लिखा हूँ? Oh, what happened? Okay. Sorry. A first row first column, A first row second column, A second row first column, A second row second column. This will be my resultant matrix because I know my matrix is now a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, now how do you get the each element? But usko na, if you know, I have told you in the first session, this is how you multiply two matrices. This is how you write the element. Okay, A I J. I stands for the row, the number of row. J stands for the number of column. So A11 because it is the first row, and this is the first. This is the second row, and this is the first column. This is your second column. Okay, so A11 means A in the first row first column, A12 means first row second column, A21 means second row first column, A22 means second row second column. Okay, if you know this resultant, now the multiplication will be easy for you to remember, because sometimes now kids get confused ki, which row which column. If you have written the resultant like this, now it is going to be very easy. What you have to do, ध्यान से सुनना, to get this element A11 of the product matrix, because I know the product matrix is of 2 by 2, A11, what is this 1 1, first row first column. So what you are going to do, the first row of this matrix you will multiply with the first column. What you are doing, first row of this matrix you are multiplying with the first column, that to element wise. 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1. समझ रहे हो? This easy it is. Okay, 2 into 3 into minus 1 into minus 1. What you have done? भाई I know I wanted to get your A11. A11 के लिए अपने को क्या करना है बेटा? A11 के लिए we have to multiply the first row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. So this will be the row of the first matrix, this will be the column of the second matrix, same order, but row will be from the first matrix, column will be from the second matrix. So 2 is the first number, here 3 is the first number, so 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1, correct? Similarly A12, what does A12 tell you? A12 tells you that first row of the first matrix multiplied with the second column, first row of the first matrix multiply with the second column. The first row is this one and second column we are getting over here. So 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0. Okay, after that, shall I write it bit down because I'm getting less space over here. So let me just reduce it a bit. Okay, let me just write it down a little below so that I can have enough space. Okay, yeah, so as I was saying, कि by first element we have taken A11, first row first column, so 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1, and then 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 0. Then after that, the next element, two elements covered. Third element, A21. A21. A2 means second row of the first matrix multiplied with the first column. So second row of the first matrix multiplied with the first column. So first column here, correct? So 0 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. है ना? First element with the first element, first second element with the second element. And then after that A22. A22 means second row multiplied with the second column. So 0 into 2 plus 1 into 0. समझ रहे हो? बस नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस पार्ट. तो अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे बेटा, व्हाट वी विल बी गेटिंग, ध्यान से सुनो भाई, देखना 2 into 3 is 6, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, so 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into 0 is 0, so 4, 0 into 3 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, and 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. So 7, 4, minus 1 and 0. This will be your multiplication of the given two matrices. This will be your product. This will be your product. So always remember कि भाई element wise we have to go, है ना? Write the result की, अच्छा it will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So you have written their elements. So then the idea will be very easy कि अच्छा first row first column, first row second column, then second row first column, second row second column, like this. ठीक है? एक और question करते हैं बेटा. एक और one more question, let's do it. So the question is, suppose this. Okay, let's do a matrix of 2, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Let's say these, okay, multiplied with, let's say 1, let's say 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, and minus 1. Okay, these are the two matrices which you have to multiply. So these two matrices we have to multiply. Now look first at the order of the matrices, that whether it can be multiplied or not. So if you will see the first matrix, how many rows it has? 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 into 3, and the order of this matrix is 3 rows and 2 columns. Correct? So you can say number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows. तो भाई देखो बेटा, भाई 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 2. I have told you 3 to 3 gone. The resultant will again be a 2 by 2 matrix. The resultant will again be a 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix, how it will be? 2 by 2 matrix will again have this form: A11, A12, A21, A22. So A11 means first row with the first column. Okay, so bus keep doing that. First row of the first matrix with the first column. देखो यार, once you will write the product in this form ना, बहुत easy हो जाता है. After that it is very easy because now you know which one has to be multiplied. You will not be any confused. You will not feel confused now onwards. ठीक है? तो देखना, first row A1 1 with the first column. So 2, this is the first row with the first column. So 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and 1 into 0 is 0. Okay? After that A12. A12 means first row with the second column. First row with the second column. So 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is plus 3, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. ठीक है सर. After that A21, A21 यहाँ पे A21, that means second row and your first column. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 will become plus 2, minus 3 into 0 is 0. Okay, and then A22. So second row multiplied with the second column. So minus 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. ठीक है, तो 2 minus 3 plus 0 will become minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. बस हो गया मैट्रिक्स, and you can see order of the matrix is 2 by 2. समझ रहे हो? So this is how the multiplication of the matrices will take place. This is how the multiplication of the matrices will take place. तो 2 by 2 कर लिया, 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 कर लिया. तो याद रखना, first let's see whether they will be multiplied or not. If they can be multiplied, find out what will be the order of their product. I got to know order of their product is 2 by 2. So I've written a 2 by 2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Those who are not sure how do you write it in this form, please watch my previous session. Usme I have explained it very clearly how do you write it. ठीक है? So once A11 means a first column, a first row of the first matrix with the first column, first row with the first column, first row with the second column, second row with the first column, second row with the second column of both the matrices. बस करते जाओ, हो जाएगा काम. Okay, अब देखो, biggest question is your 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so let's take an example. I am taking small values ताकि जल्दी से हो जाए. Main thing is understanding how do you do it. Okay, so let's say sorry, 1 2 3 3 2 1 2 1 3 multiplied with 0 3 2 2 0 1 1 minus 1 2. ठीक है, these are two matrices. As you can clearly see, this matrix is of the order 3 by 3. This matrix is also order of 3 by 3. So if you will see that if I multiply these two matrices, so one matrix is of the order 3 by 3, the other is of the order 3 by 3. So you can clearly see answer they can be multiplied because number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows. So the remaining order of the matrix, product matrix will be what? This into this, 3 into 3. This will be the order of the product matrix. So after product also, after multiplying these two, you will get a 3 by 3 matrix. So how does a 3 by 3 matrix will look? A, one row, first column, one row, second column, first row, third column. A, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. A, third row, first column, a third row, second column, a third row, third column. These will be my elements, है ना? अब उस elements को we have to multiply now. Only thing we have to do now is to multiply these elements. ठीक है? तो अब देखो, let's multiply them. The first thing, we will multiply the first row, है ना? This first row with the first column. So 1 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 2 is 4, plus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, sir. Okay. After that, A12 means first row and the second column. First row and the second column. A12 means what, beta? First row and the second column. So bhai dekho, second column is this over here with the first row. So 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, and then A13 means first row and the third column. First row and the third column over here. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 1 is also 2, and 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, okay, this is the first part. Second part में देखते हैं बेटा. Second row will be over here. Over here we have got so 3, second row. देखो A21 means second row, first column. So 3 multiplied with the first column. So 3 into 0 is 0. Then after that 2 into 2 is 4, and 1 into 1 is 1. ठीक है, 3 into 0, 2 into 2, 1 into 1. After that A22, second row with the second column. Second row with the second column. So second row with the second column, if I will multiply, so 3 into 3 is 9, then 2 into 0 is 0, and then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, and after that, the third part, A 2 3, second row with the third column. So 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2, and 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2, and 1 into 2 is also 2. Now the last row, third one. So third row with the first column, 2 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3 into 1 is 3. Then second column, third row, second column. Now third row with the second column. So 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, and then the third row and the third column. Third row and your third column. Third row, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1, and 3 into 2 is 6. तो देख रहे हो, the calculations are easy. The only thing is कि गड़बड़ी हो जाती है which column multiplied with which matrix. So in that way, the easiest method is first see what is the order of the product matrix, write the product matrix, and then it will be easier कि अच्छा first row of the first matrix with first row of the second matrix, first row of the first matrix with second row of the second with the second column of the second matrix, first row of first matrix with third column of the second matrix. बस ऐसे करते करते जाओ. तो देखो finally the odd answer will be 0 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 6 plus 4 plus 4 is again 10, then 0 plus 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11. This will be your product matrix. So this is how you are going to multiply any two matrices. बहुत easy है. Okay, तो बस याद रखना first thing. The first thing is that if you have to multiply two matrices, the order only it will be only multiplicable if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. That means if first one is m into n, the second one should be n into p. If first one is m into n, the second one is n into p, then it can be multiplied and the product matrix will be of the order of m into p. बस इतना याद रख लो. अब अगर m into p का है, write the element form, how the element will look like, and then you'll got to know कि first row with the first column, first row with the second column, first row with the third column, and so on. उसके बाद में बहुत easy है. बस this is your multiplication of the matrices. ठीक है, let's look at some questions now. ठीक है, this is how the multiplication of the matrices work. देखो first question, multiply these two matrices. First check, देखो number of columns here and number of rows is correct over here. So I will say the resultant matrix will be of what order? So 3 into 2, remaining one, 3 into 2. Now how does a 3 by 2 matrix will look? So 3 by 2 matrix will look like this: 3 rows, 2 column. Okay, so A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. है ना? That is all. 3 rows, 2 columns. अब बस we know what is element, what is the each element. Get the answer. Okay, क्या करोगे बेटा? देखो ध्यान से. First thing, A11, that means first row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. है ना? तो 1 1 multiplied this 1 3. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. After that, what you are doing? Now 1 2. So first row with the second column. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 0 is 0. ठीक है? Okay, is it clear? Then 2 1, second row with the first column, so minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 2 into 3 is 6. Then 2 2, second row with the second column, so minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 2 into 0 is 0. ठीक है. Then 3 1, third row with the first column, 0 into 1 is 0, 3 into 3 is 9. Then third row with the second column, so 0 into 2 is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. So finally we are getting minus 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, minus 1 plus 6 is 5, minus 2, 9 and 0. So this is your product matrix: 4, 2, 5, minus 2, 9 and 0. ठीक है, 4 2 5 -2 9 एंड 0। तो याद रखना बस, ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स मिल गया ना, राइट दिस फॉर्म, बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, ट्रस्ट मी, डू इट बाय दिस मेथड, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y एंड सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशंस। अब देखो, फर्स्ट थिंग दे आर सेइंग कि जब चलो दिस मैट्रिक्स A, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स is multiplied with the second matrix, this first matrix is multiplied with the second matrix and you are getting that resultant matrix. So I will say that first I will multiply these two. First, I will multiply these two matrices. Once I multiply these two, then I will see the equality. Then I will check the equality. ठीक है, तो order of this matrix is what beta? 1 2 3, 3 rows and 2 column. Order of this matrix is 2 rows 2 column. So you can clearly see first is 3 by 2, the second is 2 by 2. Yes sir, they can be multiplied and order of the resultant matrix will be 3 by 2. है ना, order of the resultant matrix will be 3 by 2. Okay sir, 3 by 2 ना, so 3 rows 2 column. How it will look? A11, A12, A21 second row second column. Okay, third one third row first column, third row second column. This is how my resultant matrix will be. बस अब क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लाई कर लो यार, you just have to multiply them. Okay, so this is your first row, second row, third row, this is your first column, sorry not here, this is your first column, second column. Okay, now let's multiply them, let us multiply them, all of you, those who want to do this question on their own, multiplication खुद से करना है, please what do I say, solve this question on your own, you can pause the video over here, ठीक है, वीडियो पॉज कर लो यहाँ पे and solve it on your own. Those who think कि यार सर थोड़ा सा डाउट है अभी भी, तो सॉल्व करो मेरे साथ में. ओके, तो देखो यार, फर्स्ट थिंग ओवर हियर, फर्स्ट रो विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम A11, फर्स्ट रो विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो 3 into y is 3y, 3 into y is 3y plus -2 into x is -2x. Then first row second column, so 3 into y is 3y, -2 into x is -2x. ठीक है, then second row first column, so 3 into y is 3y, 0 into x is 0, then 3 into y is 3y, 0 into x is 0, then 2 into y is 2y, plus 4 into x is plus 4 into x is 4x, and here also 2y plus 4x. ठीक है बेटा, this is your product of these two matrix, this is your product of the given two matrix. अब देखो, let us compare it equal to the given matrix. If I compare it equal with the given matrix, तो each and every element should be equal, each and every element should be equal. तो देखो यार, I can say from this part this 3y minus 2x should be equal to this 3. Just let me use a brighter pen because it is not visible over there. हाँ, so this 3y minus 2x should be equal to this 3. Same with this 3y minus 2x also should be equal to 3. है ना, ये मिल गया. ठीक है सर, तो first equation we have got that 3y minus 2x should be equal to 3. Okay, first equation. After that the second part, 3y, so it is equal only, and then 2y plus 4x should be equal to 10. So second equation we have got is 2y plus 4x is equal to 10. These two equations if I will solve, I will get my values of x and y. Simple. Solve these two equations. One is 3y minus 2x is equal to 3. Other is 2y plus 4x is equal to 10. So do one thing. Let's multiply this equation with 2. So that this will become 6y minus 4x is equal to 6. And this equation keep as it is equal to 10. Add both, this minus 4x plus 4x got cancelled. 8y is equal to 16, so y is equal to 2. Linear equation in two variables. If y is equal to 2, put it in any of the equation. Suppose in the second equation, if you will put, suppose if you will put it in the second equation, so 2y plus 4x is equal to 10. Put y is equal to 2, so 4 plus 4x is equal to 10. So shift 4 over there. 4x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. ठीक है, तो y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1.5 is your answer, or 3 by 2, same thing. ठीक है, तो y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1.5. याद रखना मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है, then make the equality. And multiplication के लिए first see what is the order of the product matrix and then write the elements and then see first row first column of the second matrix, first row second column, second row first column, बस हो जाएगा उसके बाद में. Okay, next question. Achha, before that, let's look at some of the properties. The first property is matrix is not commutative in general. That means multiplication of matrix is not commutative. By in numbers, commutative property is what? In numbers, I can say 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. है ना? Both are equal to 6. That is true with the numbers, but it is not true with the matrices. It is not true with the matrices. To give you an example, suppose A is a matrix of order 3 by 2, B is a matrix of order 2 by 3. So you can see here they can be multiplied. 2 and 2 is common. Number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So it can be multiplied. But if I change it, B will become, or make it B, make B 2 by 4. Suppose make B 2 by 4. Okay. So if I change it, B is of the order 2 by 4, A is of the order 3 by 2. अब देखो, the matrix multiplication is not possible. Matrix multiplication is not possible. And even if suppose matrix multiplication is possible, it is not true that matrix will be equal. They can be different also. Don't believe me, try. You will see A into B will be a different matrix, B into B, B into A will be a different matrix. समझ रहे हो? So it is not commutative. A into B, matrix A into matrix B is not equal to matrix B into matrix A. Matrix multiplication is associative. That means if I tell you to multiply three matrices, if I tell you to multiply any three matrices, so you can do it like the multiplication of numbers. That is that you can start with multiplying any two numbers. First multiply any two numbers. Once you multiply those two numbers, then multiply it with the third matrix. So that can be done provided that multiplication is possible. समझ रहे हो? Matrix multiplication is distributive. Matrix multiplication is distributive का मतलब क्या है बेटा? That suppose if I say कि matrix A has to be multiplied with sum of two matrices. So you can distribute, use a distributive property, or you can take common also. You can take common also. Suppose if I tell you solve A into B plus A into C. So better take A common, add matrix B and C, and then multiply A and matrix B plus C, whatever the sum, because addition is very easy. Right? So distributive properties follows. It follows associative property, but it does not follow commutative property. Okay, after that if you multiply any matrix by null matrix, you will get a null matrix. That means वही same property, zero से कुछ भी multiply करो, answer will be zero. Same way if you multiply any matrix with a null matrix means all the elements are zero, so your answer will always be a null matrix. याद रखना, ठीक है. And exponential laws hold for square matrix. That means कि भाई these laws all will hold for square matrices. Square matrices I have told you, that is number of rows is equal to number of columns. समझ रहे हो? ठीक है. तो this is the major part. अब एक बात याद रखना बेटा, देखो whenever you will be do square of any matrix, that means suppose a square if you are doing a square, squaring any matrix is only possible if the matrix is a square matrix. Because एक बात बताओ, अगर मान लो A is not a square matrix, if A is a matrix of say m by n order, so if I multiply A with A, okay, so here it is m into n, here it is m into n. तो देख लो ना यार, फिजिबिलिटी तो बैठ ही नहीं रहा है. It is m into n and here it is m into n. देख लो, I am not getting it common. No, I want here the common part. So a matrix can be squared or cubed or exponential law. It will only follow if it is a square matrix. As simple as that. ठीक है, चलो let's solve a question. अब देखो, this is an equation type of question. ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. The same laws of equation which you are using, the transposition, same thing will be done here. This matrix plus 2m is equal to 3 times of this matrix. Okay, let's say this is your matrix A, this is your matrix B. So they are saying A plus 2 times of matrix M is equal to 3 times of B matrix. So if I shift A over there, you will say 2 times of matrix M is equal to what? 3b minus A. So bus do this subtraction. So you will get 2m is equal to 3 multiplied with this matrix B. Matrix B is what? Yeah, 3 2 0 minus 3 and minus of A. So minus A I have told you can write as plus of minus 1 into A. बोला था हमेशा. Otherwise subtract भी कर सकते हो फालतू. Why to make it complicated? तुम लोग सोचोगे अरे सर ये क्या कर दिया. ओके तो माइनस कर लेंगे. वी विल subtract these two. Okay, then minus A is what? 1 4 minus 2 and 3. Okay, and 3. So it will become 2m is equal to this 3 multiplied to all the terms. So 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 to minus 3 is minus 9, subtracted with 1 4 minus 2 and 3. Now I will subtract them. So 2m will be equal to, देखना ध्यान से, 9 minus 1, 6 minus 4 corresponding elements, 0 minus of minus 2. So 0 minus of minus 2 will become plus 2 and minus 9 minus 3. So 2m is equal to 8 2 2 minus 12. ठीक है, what I got? 2m is equal to 8 2 2 and minus 12. Shift this 2 over there. So m is equal to half times of 8 2 2 and minus 12. Multiplication with a constant number, this half will be multiplied to all the elements. M is equal to 4 1 1 and minus 6. बताओ, so easy. समझ रहे हो? Easy ना, तो इक्वेशन के जैसे इक्वेशन भी सॉल्व कर ही सकते हैं इसको. समझ रहे हो? तो this is how it can be done very easily. Okay, let's go for the next question. Next question is this: given A is equal to this and B is equal to this, find if possible A into B, B into A and your A square. ठीक है, तो मैट्रिक्स A and मैट्रिक्स B is given. चलो let's solve the first one. A into B हम लोग करेंगे first. Okay, so A into B will be, your A is what? Your A is given as yeah, your A is 0 4 6 3 0 minus 1. Your B is multiplied with your 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 5 and 6. Now let's see the order of the product matrix. So beta, this matrix is a matrix of 2 rows and 3 columns. This matrix is of 3 rows and 2 columns. ठीक है, तो I know that yes sir, its multiplication is possible because number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix, and order of the product matrix will be remaining 2 into 2. I will get a 2 by 2 matrix. I will get a 2 by 2 matrix from this multiplication. So by लिख दो 2 by 2 matrix, how it will be? So A11 A12, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. ठीक है, अब बस अकॉर्डिंगली मल्टीप्लाई देम. तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट रो multiplied with the first column. So first row is over here, first column is over here. 0 into 0 is 0, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. Then first row second column. So first row is over here, second column is over here. 0 into 1 is 0, 4 into 2 is 8, 6 6 are 36. Okay, then 3 into, now A21, so second row with the first column. So 3 into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is also 0, minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. Then second row with the second column, so 3 into 1 is 3, 0 into 2 is 0. Okay. And minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. So here you will be getting minus 34. 8 plus 36. 8 plus 36 is equal to 44. Here 5 and 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So your answer for this matrix will be minus 34, 44, 5 and minus 3. देख लेते हैं एक बार जरा. हाँ -34 -28 क्या मिल रहा है? ओके ओके, हैव आई मेड अ मिस्टेक? 0 4 6 in this element na, A21, so first row second column. Oh, I have copied the question wrong. It is -6 over here. Okay, I have copied the question wrong. It was -6. Sorry bhai. So here it will be changing, second column is here also, so -1 into -6 will become +6. थोड़े बहुत changes करने पड़ेंगे. Let's do those changes. Second row with the first column, first row with the first column, तो ये तो same ही है. This is correct. Here, first row with the second column, so 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 4 is 6, 6 into -6 will become -36, and your 3 into 1 is 3, 0 into 2 is 0, -1 into -6 will become +6. So now it will become -28, and here it will become 9. Because I copied the question wrong. समझ लो. बाकी this is the method. ठीक है. अब let's do B into A. Let's do B into A, but first we have to check that whether B into A is possible or not. So B तो बेटा I know B into A, if we have to check whether it is possible or not. B is a matrix of 3 rows 2 column. First write B. A is a matrix of 2 rows 3 column. So हाँ sir, it is possible, and the resultant matrix will be of the order 3 by 3. Okay, so beta your A I am writing over here 0, 4, 6, and here 3, 0, -1. B matrix multiplied here I am writing it over here 0, 1, -1 and 2, -5 and -6. And we know the order will be the matrix will be what? A 3 by 3 matrix. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, okay, and A31, A32, A33. बस once we have written the elements, उसके बाद में बस देख लो, know where you will make any mistake, because now you know which part has to be multiplied with what. Okay. That is easy. It is going to be acha, wait, I have written the order here wrong. I have to write B into A na? I have written A into B. I have to write B into A. Correct. I have written A into B, which was wrong. I have to write B into A. So first I will write B, that is 0, -1, -5, and here 1, 2 and -6 multiplied with A. So 0, 4 and 6, 3, 0 and -1. Okay, now it is correct. ठीक है. तो देखो बेटा, this is my first row, first, second row, third row. This is my first column, second column, third column. अब बस multiply करते जाओ. देखो भाई, what it is saying, sir जी, it is saying first thing. थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं. 0, A11 means first row with the first column. So 0 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 3 is 3. ठीक है. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3. Then first row second column, first row with second column, 0 into 4 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Very good. First row with the third column, so 0 into 6 is 0, 1 into -1 is -1. So easy है. अब देखो, second row first column, second row first column, -1 into 0 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6. Second row second column, -1 into 4 is -4, 2 into 0 is 0. Then A23 second row third column, -1 into 6 is -6, 2 into -1 is -2. Correct. After that, third row first column, -5 into 0 is 0, -6 into 3 is -18. Third row with the second column, -5 into 4 is -20, -6 into 0 is 0. Third row third column, so -5 into 6 is -30, -6 into -1 is +6. ठीक है. तो what it will be equal to? It will be equal to, थोड़ा ध्यान से, 0 plus 3 is 0, 0 -1, 6 -4 -8 -18 -20 -30 plus 6 is -24. ठीक है. So the answer is 3, 0 -1, then 6 -4 -8, 6 minus 4 minus 8 and then minus 18 minus 20 minus 24 minus 18 minus 20 minus 24. ठीक है बेटा, this is your multiplication 3 0 minus 1 6 minus 4 minus 8 minus 18 minus 20 minus 24. ठीक है, this is your BA मैट्रिक्स इक्वल। अब थर्ड केस ए स्क्वायर। अब ए स्क्वायर के लिए बेटा आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी मैट्रिक्स इज ओनली पॉसिबल इफ इट इज अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स। अब ए इज अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द ऑर्डर व्हाट 2/3। So if you want to do a square 2/3 order matrix multiplied with 2/3, you can clearly see multiplication is not possible. Multiplication is not possible. तो याद रखना आगे से हमेशा that squaring any matrix or cubing any matrix is only possible if it is a square matrix. Otherwise you cannot square that matrix or you cannot multiply that matrix to itself. Square मतलब क्या है बेटा कि भाई you will multiply matrix A with matrix A only. It is only possible if A is a square matrix. ठीक है, तो third part is not possible. Okay, fourth one, a is equal to -1 1 and here ab and a square is equal to I. Find a and b. अब you must be thinking what is I? तो बेटा याद रखना I is your identity matrix. I is your identity matrix. ठीक है, I have taught you what is your identity matrix. Oh, sorry, identity matrix I have told you is this. अब देखो a square you are doing first, is it a square matrix? हाँ sir, it is a 2/2 matrix. So if you square a matrix na, if you square a square matrix, the order is also again the same, the order remains same. So the answer will be a square matrix of 2/2. ठीक है, what is an identity matrix of 2/2? Identity matrix of 2/2 means remember the diagonal elements are 1, rest all the elements are 0. That is called an identity matrix. In an identity matrix, the diagonal elements, only diagonal elements are 1. Okay, only diagonal elements are 1, rest all elements are 0. ठीक है, so the question for you becomes कि भाई if you are multiplying this A matrix with A matrix to itself, A square, your answer is this 1 0 0 1. So you have to tell me the values of this A and B. This is your homework question. ठीक है, note it down. I am giving you a very amazing question. बहुत अच्छा question है. This is your homework question. Try it. Maybe मजा आ जाएगा तुमको, थोड़ा सा लेंथी हो सकता है बट डोंट वरी, इट्स नॉट दैट लेंथी यार। 2/2 मैट्रिक्स से तो बहुत इजी होता है। ओके, तो ट्राई करो एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट शुड बी योर आंसर यार। आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर, है ना, अच्छे से याद करके अच्छे से करना। ओके, तो दिस इज योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन। ठीक है बेटा, तो थैंक यू सो मच यार। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू एंजॉयड इट। याद रखना वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन इज देयर। गो टू द लिंक vdnt.in/ytpro and use the teacher code GPPro to get the discount and you will get it the course at ₹2,699. लिंक पे जाओ vdnt.in/ytpro, grade 10th ICSE 2021, click on get subscription, apply teacher code, देखो enter coupon code है ना यहाँ पे GPPro, you can choose 1 month 3 months 6 months whatever you want, click on buy now. मस्त मजे आ जाएंगे तुमको वेदांतो प्लेटफॉर्म पे because it is personalized manner teaching over there. वहां पे more exposure तुमको होगा टीचर से, more personalized way में you will be able to learn. Also you will be able to choose your own curriculum. You can choose to study whatever chapter you want at whatever time you want. समझ रहे हो, मतलब कि you will be having your time कि हाँ कि सर this week I want to study matrices पढ़ लो, this week I want to study quadratic equation पढ़ लो, live, that to live classes. So very good part. Other than that, test series, assignment, study materials, all is there. ठीक है, अब बेटा देखो, I have not said throughout the session, but please don't leave without liking the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and subscribe to this channel. अगर नए हो तो यार क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो subscribe? Okay, so this is all. I hope all of you enjoyed the part. इसी के साथ में your matrix topic is complete. There is nothing new left in this part. I have done it more than enough way. समझ रहे हो, कुछ नहीं छोड़ा है उसमें। अच्छे से अच्छा क्वेश्चन you will be able to do it now. ठीक है. So the next session I will discuss the homework question. Any doubts if you have, you can mention it in the comment section and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay. And the third thing, next session is going to be doubts in Menti, so prepare well and come prepared. Okay beta. So this is all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz. Sayonara. Alvida to all of you. Okay, chalo. Bye bye.